Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the system fan, loosen the 3 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 7 other screws and pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the system fan and disconnect the cables. Remove the 3 screws and disconnect the cables. Lift the fan out of the system to remove it. To reinstall the system fan, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Install the 3 screws and reconnect the cables. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 10 total screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.